Hey YouTube, what's up? You are watching the Nerdy Tech Expert, and today we have yet another unboxing video of a very exciting product. It is a music player from Sony, the NW-A105, their premium Walkman digital media player with hi-fi premium features. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. So this is the box up close. No fancy box by any means. It just simply states Sony and the Walkman model, Walkman branding, 16 GB internal storage, digital noise cancellation support, LDAC support and high resolution support with a straight on picture of the product itself. And when we move to the left side, you can see that it states high resolution audio wireless supported, means that's LDAC codec, Sony's own codec for wireless high resolution audio, SMaster's HX high resolution audio amplifier, DSEEHX digital sound enhancement engine, NFC supported, Bluetooth supported, Wi-Fi certified, and it also has ambient sound mode for noise cancellation and its specific model. So let's open the box. Here is the device itself. It is a very small device, very handy. You cannot. Okay, here it is. This is the device. It has very matte finish to it. The Walkman logo and the buttons, they are very good looking. It has a 3.6-inch HD 720p touchscreen display and a 4 GB of RAM with 16 GB of internal storage, out of which 6.29 GB is usable by user and other is used for its operating system and other applications and management. It supports micro SD card slot, so 6 GB is not an issue if you are adding a 64 GB or 128 GB micro SD card. And it also supports high resolution audio with DSD FLAC audio formats and SMaster's HX digital amplifier for reduced distortion and noise. It also has convenient side controls for media playback. As you see, it's very clicky and tactile feeling. Now let's see if it has some battery in it. It's dead, so we'll have to charge it. But on the box it says it promises to deliver 26 hours of battery life on a single charge and can be charged through USB-C port. Alright, so this Type-C cable that I'm using to charge this device, as you can see the red light is on, it's on charge right now. This comes out of the box and it's not a very long cable, it's very short cable. And while the device gets charged, we'll see what else we get in our box. We get some manuals, just the manuals. And just to make clear that this Walkman music player doesn't come with any hands-free or any sort of earphones or headphones, because Sony says that this kind of device is made for those who have already invested in big and better headphones. Like myself, I have the 1000X Mark III, which I'm going to pair it with this device to get the most out of it. And let's see if we can turn it on. And the device boots up, gives you a Walkman logo with it powered by Android, because this is an Android 9 Pie powered operating system. So this here is the Android setup screen. So we'll quickly just set up this and let you know how the operating system is. Okay, so we have set it up now with my Google account and everything. As you can see, it is purely stock Android and it is running on Android 9 Pie. You can see from here it is on Android 9, and when I tap on it, there is a new system update for this device, the version 2.0, and it won't install it right now because the battery level is too low, so I'll do it overnight. And you have access to all the Google and Google Chrome and Gmail and Maps and all the Google stuff, like on your mobile phone. You can access it on your Walkman now. You don't need a phone for that. Complete Google Play Store. You'll get a full-fledged Google Play Store. You can install your audio streaming services like Tidal and Spotify or whatever you like. You can install it on here. This is the actual Walkman app. This is the look of it, and it's pretty clean. It might have some settings as well. You see, shuffle, repeat, playback range, play on cassette tape screen. That's the screensaver it has, and the USB out for DSD and other stuff like that. I'll get into it. I think the equalizer, yeah, here is the equalizer setting for, it's a separate app for an equalizer, you see. Okay, so that's the equalizer. You see it has a full-fledged equalizer, and we have the presets as well: bright, excited, mellow, relaxed, vocal, custom 1, custom 2, whatever you like. And this is a very good feature. The direct output, it doesn't add any electronics in it. It's simply the way the audio is recorded will be output through the headphones. And there you have the DSEEHX for upscaling the original compressed or CD quality audio to the equivalent of the high resolution audio. And we have the DC phase linearizer, the dynamic normalizer, vinyl processor as well to add warmth to your music, and the clear audio plus. This is the typical Walkman settings you must have seen on any Sony mobile phone, the Xperia mobile phone. So as you see, these are preloaded tracks on it, and this is the unboxing for the Sony Walkman NW-A105 Android based Walkman. So if you liked this video, then please hit that like button, subscribe our channel, and also click that notification bell icon so that whenever we upload a new video you get notified right away. Thanks for watching. Peace out.